Welcome to TechApex Academy, your premier destination for computer science education, guiding students from their very first steps into technology through to achieving advanced proficiency. Today is Course Day 8, where we will master multi-sprite dialogue. You will direct a scene and learn how to manage multiple characters so they talk to each other without interrupting. We will learn how to manage separate code workspaces for multiple sprites and coordinate timed conversations using the orange wait blocks. This prevents characters from talking over one another. Timing is everything in a conversation. Each character has an independent script workspace. If both sprites use a say block simultaneously, they talk over each other. We use the orange wait block to make one character listen politely. Here is a step-by-step example. Sprite 1 speaks for 2 seconds. Sprite 2 must wait for 2 seconds before speaking to avoid overlap. Sprite 1 also waits after speaking to listen to Sprite 2. Let's check your knowledge. If Sprite 1 speaks for 3 seconds, Sprite 2 should wait at least 3 seconds. The code for Sprite 2 must be written inside Sprite 2's own separate code workspace area. For your reflection and exit ticket, the task is to add a third character to your story scene. The challenge is to map out the talk and wait times on a scratch pad before writing the blocks for a smooth conversation. Thank you for joining this video. We hope you enjoyed learning about multi-sprite dialogue with TechApex Academy.